Hey, it's the Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I've had way too much coffee today, so I may be talking a little fast, but I wanted to share with you something that's pretty fascinating and really one of the reasons why you absolutely cannot afford to ignore YouTube. Basically, you have to get your YouTube shit together. Why? Because if you look at this report from State of the Screens, let's give you some context first. You can see here that the way we watch our screens, our TV, broadcast used to obviously dominate everything. Now that's down to 20% of the viewing. And streaming is leading the way with almost 40% of how we spend our time watching screens or TV. And over here, you can see that YouTube is the leader in streaming. And we'll talk more about that in a minute. But it's interesting because usually when you think of streaming, you think of Netflix and Hulu and Prime and Disney, but YouTube is right up there at the top with over 9%. So the way we interact and watch our screens and our televisions has changed drastically. And what I really wanted to share with you here was this total day average viewership from June 2023. YouTube has the most viewership. That's more than Netflix. That's more than the broadcast networks, ABC, CBS, NBC. It's more than Amazon Prime and Fox News. So it's really interesting to see that YouTube is the leader in streaming and in screen time. You can see here 9% shows about tied with Netflix. But again, YouTube is not always part of the conversation when we're talking about quote unquote television or streaming, but it does lead the way when it comes to both. So keep that in mind when you are working with or revamping your YouTube channel. And let me know if you need help getting your YouTube act together, because it's really important. You really have access to an enormous audience here, just like a TV network. So hopefully you'll take advantage of that. One other thing I wanted to share with you here, and I'll have to switch screens here for a moment. The other thing I wanted to show you related to YouTube, which I think is really interesting and may actually give you some encouragement here, is Adrian Salisbury shared this with us in our YouTube class. I took another YouTube class recently. And the interesting thing here is that you can see the channel data from TubeBuddy. When you think of YouTube, you probably think, oh my God, I've got to get more subscribers. And I always tell folks, you've really got to have at least 100 subscribers before YouTube knows you exist. But if you can see here, 68, almost 69% of total YouTube channels have 1 to 100 subscribers. So less than 100 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that 100 subscriber mark yet, you're basically in the majority, but you want to try to fix that, obviously. 100 to 500 is 16%. And the other thing that's interesting here is you can see that the folks who have fewer than 100 subscribers have uploaded an average of 15 videos. That's not very many. The folks who have between 100 and 500 subscribers have uploaded about 50 videos. And you can see the more videos you upload, obviously, chances are the more subscribers you have. But when you think about, oh my God, these folks that have gazillions of subscribers, like YouTube creators and Lady Gaga, whoever, only a minuscule 0.09% have over 1 million subscribers. So if you are down here in the 100 to 500 range, you're not doing too bad. You just have to be consistent about uploading and about trying to get more subscribers. Remind people to subscribe to your channel, things like that. Again, the vast majority of YouTube channels, almost 70%, have between 1 and 100 subscribers. So you are in good company, but it's not really the best company to be in. So just try to get those subscriber numbers up. And again, the more consistent you are and the more you upload, as you can see here, the more subscribers you will likely have. So when you get up into the 1,000 to 5,000 range, only 6% of YouTube channels have that many subscribers. Get past that 100 mark, then get past that 1,000 mark. And if you need any help, let me know. Thanks and bye for now.